In this tutorial, we will show you how to work with the different style sets within Empower Sheets. We use the Empower Sheets version 9.2. With custom style sets, you have the possibility to create corporate design compliant content in no time. Therefore, Empower Sheets uses cell styles, table styles and sizes, and chart styles. Cell styles. To provide specific corporate design compliant formatting for individual cells within a table, you can incorporate predefined cell format templates from the library into your workbook and subsequently apply them to the desired cells. Here's how you do it. To access the cell styles in the library, you have two options. You can either go to the Insert section and click on the Elements button, then select Cells. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Access pane and click on Cell Style Sets. Once you are in the Style Sites library, choose the style you want. You can add it to your workbook by either double-clicking on it or clicking the Apply button. After applying the styles, you will find it in the Styles section under Cell Styles. The styles you imported from the library will be categorized under Custom. Now you can apply the desired template to any number of cells in your workbook. Table styles. To format a corporate design compliant table, go to the Empower Ribbon's Insert section and select Elements, Table to access the format templates. Alternatively, you can access the Table Style Sets button in the Quick Access pane. Upon clicking, the Quick Access pane will open, displaying various ready-made table style templates stored by your company. Simply select one or more templates that you prefer and add them to your workbook. To confirm your selection, click the Apply button. Once applied, you will find the chosen styles in the Style section under Format as Table. The table styles imported from the library will be categorized under Custom. Now you can apply the desired template to a selected table in your workbook and proceed filling it with content as usual. You can also store fixed table sizes in the library for future use, in addition to table style sets. To add a desired table size to your workbook, you have again two options. Using the Empower ribbon, in the Insert section, click on the buttons Elements, Tables, Table Size, Load Table Size Sets. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Access pane and click on the button Table Sizes. After adding the table size, it will be now available in the Insert section under Elements, Table Size. To apply the table size, select the area in your workbook, such as a table or multiple cells you want to resize, and then apply it to the desired table size. Chart styles. To illustrate the contents of a table with a chart, select the data you want to display. After that, select the charts in the Insert section and click the buttons Elements, Charts, or navigate to the chart styles in the Quick Access pane. Here you can choose from all the corporate design compliant chart styles of your company. Simply click Apply and the chart is inserted into your workbook. Of course, you can change the chart type afterwards if you want to, as long as the given data fits to it. A note: there are two types of chart styles: fixed colors and dynamically adaptable colors. Fixed color chart styles ensure that the colors used in the chart template remain consistent with the CD guidelines even if the workbook's design is changed via Excel's theme feature. If you choose a chart style from the library with dynamically changing colors, the chart's colors will automatically adjust to match the Excel theme you have selected. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Sheets, check out our other training videos.